Bureau of Indian Standard BIS na katana jong goti kala pelong ya kajingelang pynshai pai ba shapang kumno bantep ya tiar ki ba khamha bat ki bane slam bat ki tiar ki bam dane bat ki basniu no tangshi tengpor ha kate ki jingelang kabla tep kum ka gram panchayats ya kaba la pelong hater sam hall DC office Nongstoin West Khasi Hills district ki riu rang ba jong kathan kiba na kishnong ba pher kila wan mani shimben talang hakate ka sngi bala batai ru kumno ka Bureau of Indian Standard BIS ka pentre kam haki kam jongka hakate ka sngi le don lang uba Fairly Paul Marwen training assistant RGSA West Khasi Hills district but kinong batai banya ki kenthop yakokong Adin Kharsi scientist D and joint director but ka Bharash Joyti Bashia Standard Promotion Consultant Bureau of Indian Standard BIS. Hakate ka jingalang kipat ba kilayo ru ban tip kumno ban bishar banya ikitiar kiba khampaka kiba dan ya ka shap ISI but what ban tip kumno kilong kiweipat kitiar thok kiba dan ya ka shap ISI ba syukur hakitiar ba tiar shat kumju ru hakitiar kum ki khiu ki priang ni ki jingbam jingdi kum ki umso ki biscuit bat ki wei
shisha ne ka balong original ne balong duplicate ne ka basya thok ru ngim tip ndai ngi thila ka thet ni pendon kam la ka pendon kam rei adu menta ka sngi bangi wan ha ka training la ne ka awan program menta ka sngi ngila ban tip ya kata ka jing sha la ka long ka dei ne ka bom dei ting ngila ban yo ya kata ka jing thmu ka jingi bat ngila ru ban pendon kam ladangi kwa ya ka jing shisha ban lait ne gino ki jing sneu ha ka imlang salang la ne ha ka bam ka di la ne ha chinong ha thau ne ha gino ki dogin banta ka bangi don kam ni ki priu bar khoi.
Today we have done the Gram Panchayat sensitization program at West Khasi Hills, Nongstoin. So the village heads have come and then we have taught them about what BIS do and how they can be conscious about the quality, about ISI mark products, and also we have explained about the voluntary products, mandatory products, how to check the fake ISI mark and the real ISI mark, and about the BIS Care app, how they can download and what are the features and how it will be useful for them, and also at their village level, how can they contribute. If they are conscious, quality conscious, how can they contribute, and then how BIS, they can come forward to BIS anytime for any kind of help. So that is what in general we have taught today. I hope it was useful for the villagers.